Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Mercedes S-Class 2021, and what we've done on this vehicle is the Meta S5 deadlock system. Now the way this system works is the car will not start if it does not detect the tags. So let's say the thief get holds of your key, so they get the keys and they get in the car. So now they copied the keys or they stolen the keys. They get in the car and they try to start the car. As you can see, the car will not start. I'm pressing the key, I'm pressing the brake. As you can see, I'm pressing the brake. I got the key in my hands and the car does not start. Now for the car to start, it will need a Bluetooth tag. So you get a tag with your keys or that you keep separate with you, and when you want to go in the car, what you do is you show the tag and the immobiliser system will disarm, and once it detects a tag, it disarms and then it will allow you to start the car. And yeah, so then you can drive off as normal. So yeah, if you want this kind of system installed on your car, give us a shout on 0208554554, or even message us on Instagram or on the YouTube comments down below. Thank you guys.